Star Tours, 1401, you are cleared for departure.
1401? That's us. We can't take off. The captain isn't on board.
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
Excuse me, you don't seem to understand. I am not the captain. I am C-3PO.
1401, cleared for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 429.
Wait! R2-D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble. I knew it!
Stop right there.
Don't shoot!
I know you have a spy on board.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake.
They're a spy and a traitor to the First Order.
I've never seen that human before. Gotta go!
Don't be a fool. You are no match for the power of the dark side.
Someone could get it. I don't like the look of this. I'm just gonna worse.
Star Force, what are you doing here?
I have no idea.
Well, stay low.
Why?
You're confusing their tracking. Now put your shields up. If they work.
This is no time for your parents. Can you put that back this instant? Arthur, I'm getting us out of this dreadful place. The transmission.
This is Poe Dameron with the Resistance.
Commander Dameron.
3PO? R2, what are you doing there?
Well, sir, it won't be
Rhetorical question. Listen up. There is someone aboard your ship vital to our mission.
the spy. Is this mission sanctioned?
Let's say it is. Anyway, rendezvous at the coordinates I'm transmitting to R2. Good luck and you know the rest.
The rest sounds rather perilous to me. I don't think we should go. Are you sure these are the right coordinates? I wasn't programmed for this. Watch out! I can't see a thing. R2, do something!
Star Force, you should have come.
I heartily concur.
Execute them.
We're leaving this instant. R2, where are you going?
Alright, we'll take it from here.
Well done, R2. Now let's go. We'll be safe here on Batuu. I hope. Yes, R2. I believe this adventure is just beginning. What are you looking at? Go away!
Please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Bye-bye.